There are three main reasons you should consider getting the upcoming Google Pixel 4, and all of these features are better than the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is your only option for now. And by the end of this video, you can decide whether Google Pixel is for you or not. Help this channel to grow, drop a like and subscribe. Well, people say it's a first generation of foldable from Google, so don't go for it, but there are some exclusive features we are going to get on the Pixel Fold which are better than the other foldables in the market. And I have one bonus feature which I'll talk later. The most important feature everyone is looking for is the cameras of the Pixel Fold, and they will perform just like the Pixel 7 Pro, as we are going to get a 48 megapixel main shooter, 10.8 megapixel ultra wide and 10.8 megapixel telephoto sensor. Now the numbers are quite same as Fold 4, but having a Google machine learning and camera optimization, there is no chance that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 compete with the cameras of the Pixel Fold, and same goes to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. So, if you need a better cameras on foldable phone, Pixel Fold is the best option you can get for now. Let me know in the comments which feature do you want to see in the Google Pixel Fold. The display is one of the most important part of a foldable phone, where Google just heard you guys and giving us the display just like the Apple Find N and not like the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So the outer display is about 5.8 inches and we are going to get 7.6 inches in our display. It is debatable that Google is going with the bigger bezels on inner display than other foldable phones in the market because of a selfie shooter. So, if you need a wider outer display, Pixel Fold is your only option. Now, Google is also adding a new technology in the Pixel Fold compared to the Fold 4. We are getting M13 display on the Pixel Fold compared to M12 on Fold 4. The battery size of the Pixel Fold is out, and by looking at it, it is going to last longer than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Because the rated capacity of the battery is around 4500 mAh, which is 100 more than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now, getting a new display technology could help Pixel Fold to last longer. Also, some people suggest it will last 24 hours on the normal use and 72 hours on extreme power sync mode, which is impossible, and I don't think it will happen. Instead, you can use power saving mode to survive the full day. The battery will be similar to the Fold 4 or a little better. This is important, the durability. Google is going with the new hinge design, which is much better than the Galaxy Z Fold 4 because Fold 4 has some issues with the hinge. And on Pixel Fold, we are going to get a water drop hinge which is better and will come with less visible crease that we all wanted in the Fold 4. Google Pixel Fold is going out soon and the pre-order deals are here, which are so good, and you can pre-order after the launch. If you want to check the pre-order deals, you should watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.